Welcome back. Now a look at the other events in the state.
Primary Health Center Kurtori held an advocacy workshop on vector-borne diseases at Kurtori. People were made aware on various vector-borne diseases prevailing in the state. Nue Charitable Trust organized second musical evening program at Nue Church Ground. The event was organized in collaboration with Dalgado Kokani Academy and Art and Culture Department. Needy students were distributed books. It was followed by cultural events. Former Sports Minister Babu Hasgaonkar and spokesperson Jiten Deshprabhu held a meeting in Padney on Sunday. They had an interaction with the party workers. Various issues were discussed. Defeat in the recent assembly and panchayat election topped the agenda. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Windsurfing Regatta at Hawaii Beach, Donapal concluded on Sunday. The three-day regatta saw participation from different age groups and participants from different states. The top windsurfers now will take part in the Windsurfing Nationals set to begin at the same venue next week. President of the Goa Yachting Association Anil Madgaonkar told young surfers to work very hard around the year.
Windsurfing is not an easy sport. It's a sport that takes a hell of a lot out of you. You have to know how to swim, you have to be able to struggle out there in the hot sun for hours together. You get wet with the salt water, you get burnt with the salt water and the sun. I've been through it, I know what it is. In fact, I would like to request most of the parents here to also try and learn a bit of windsurfing, find out what your kids go through. We on our side are trying to train up teams for the Asian Games. The Asian Games are 2 years from now in 2014. We'd like to see some of our youngsters from here make it to the India team for the Asian Games and hopefully bring back medals for Goa.
A sports reporter from Panaji, Nikhil Pereira, with video journalist Tulsidas Chari.
Don't worry if you have missed this bulletin. Log on to www.prudentmedia.in, or you can also catch latest updates on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.